Boom! What's up, guys? It's Mercer96 here. We're about to play part 3 of White Noise. Now, first time I ever played White Noise, I got 20 views in a day, in like 2 days. I want to see that happen again for this part. And I am also going to play the same thing, same kind of game, with Stupid Panda101. Say hello.
Oh my god.
Fucking say hello.
Hello.
Hello there. That's color. I want no. I need color. I need brightness needs to go to fuck down. Let's see. Yeah, this is gonna be bad. I'm going to play it on hard mode. I'm going to play the game on hard mode while Stupid Panda is gonna be a pussy and play it on normal mode.
I don't have
Okay. But anyway, I'm gonna play it on hard mode. He's gonna be playing on easy mode. I have a feeling that I'm gonna go down before him. But let's start this. Ready, Panda?
Yeah.
Starting game. God, fucking last time I played this was creepy. And now that I got the brightness to 7%, this might be bad. I already hear yelling. My game's freezing.
I don't I played a couple seconds of it, then I decided I didn't want to play.
I haven't barely seen shit. I'm gonna try to turn my brightness back on, like a little bit higher than what it is.
So I heard that this thing, I saw a video on this, because I probably will not feed it to myself. Oh, there's a tape. Have you found one? Let's go.
I'm about to, I hear static. If I die like at 3 minutes in hard mode, this fucking ridiculous. Now page 1. Fuck, right when I get part 1, my heart stops, man.
I'm really nervous.
I'm playing on a hard mode and I'm insanely close to the TV. And it's really loud. He's already close. Come on. Freaking ghosts, get out of my way. Fucking come on now.
Oh, fuck me. Fuck me. This thing's scary as hell. If
I get caught, already. My freaking controller's rumbling. Why? Whoa, okay, I understand. I understand. Let's just run this way.
Did you see it?
Yeah, I saw it. Fucking why was he so toned? Freaking.
He just looks.
Where?
It's scarier because the thing runs up to you, they say.
No, he doesn't. He doesn't run up to you. He pops up behind you.
Fuck, that scared the shit out of me. Well, I'm dead already.
I'm playing on hard mode and I'm running down the street and
I don't even understand.
There's not even a road here. What the hell?
This thing's so difficult.
I'm gonna die. What the hell is happening? I can barely see anything because my freaking brightness is so damn down. Where? Really?
That was scary. Wait, did he get you or did
No, but he's fucking skipping very fast but a little bit at a time.
Floating rock? I don't know rock.
Can I throw a rock at him?
I'm just gonna actually scan out this place before I run into this thing again. Because a lot of people said that the only way this thing comes out is after you run the first tape recorder.
I'm trying to listen for a radio, but I can't find one. I can't, every time I'm hearing one, I just can't find it. Don't be behind me. Fucking ghost.
I don't understand, when I saw your first couple, I actually,
Oh, okay. Alright. Okay, you're so fucking close. We're getting stuck on a damn tree. Alright. Am I running toward him?
I hear something.
If this video goes 20 minutes, there's a problem.
Oh my god!
I'm stuck!
I got my first tape recorder. Oh
Quit getting me stuck.
Scaring the crap out of me.
Just follow somewhat of the trees.
So apparently this thing does not care. Oh, there he is.
I only have one so
I don't
far.
understand. I'm playing on easy mode, and I already found him.
Oh, you
I don't
flaw.
understand. Have you died
You
already?
flaw. No, I haven't. Why does that look like a dick and a penis?
I
It
don't
is!
understand.
Look at it! Look! No, don't freeze. Look. Then it froze. Freaking piece of shit. Why? Oh my god. Oh. I found a dick and a penis, balls and a dick, freaking rock, statue, thing. Why do you crash? Fucking why? Let me check out the time, what it is. 6 minutes, holy shit. Only lasted like 4 minutes. And then it freaking froze. What the hell? The game crashed.
I thought so.
Oh my god.
You said what the, as if it froze, and I panicked because I stopped hearing you talking, you know.
I saw a dick and balls rock statue.
And then I started seeing the staticness of the creature.
Fuck, I only have 6 minutes.
I didn't want to see the...
I only recorded 6 minutes. Come on, I can do better than that.
I don't understand. This game must like you, because the creature, like, rarely ever finds you. This game just throws the creature out.
Oh my god, I found like one of the batteries and still didn't give me that achievement. What the hell? Why? I already hear the radio. And my flashlights are like a lot brighter now. Alright, let's fucking try this again. Why the hell not? Why the hell not?
I looked on the more games, and there are a couple...
If it starts glitching again, man, I'm gonna have to restart it, the whole game itself. I just need to find one goddamn note. Come on. Why are you out of breath already, man? Freaking ghost! Get up on my way! My lovely lady loves. Get on my face!
It's funny, because I can't find a ghost, but I can find the creature, and it's annoying.
Oh my god, there's more ghosts than creatures in mine. Oh! Why did both of you float into me? Oh my god. God, I can taste that. You need a bath. Fuck. Oh, you need a ghost bath or whatever. Steam bath. There we go. Quit getting in front of my face! Oh, you keep going through me. Oh, that's what the fat man said after he ate a burrito. God. Oh, God. Alright. I hear static. I hear static. Is that a face? That is a face, ain't it?
Oh yeah, that's right. I still need to find like 30 more tapes. I can't find it. It's unfair. The game throws the creature at my face, and I can't. And then when it comes to the tapes, they're nowhere near me.
Got one. Whee! Let's go, game.
Whoa! What the? That scared
I'm
the
insanely
crap
too damn close to the TV. I think I might lose my eyesight.
As soon as I spawned in, I turned to my right, and then 2 ghosts just run up to me, past me.
Oh, 3 of them already went through me.
No, I mean, as soon as I spawned, I turned.
I hear another one.
I wonder what would happen if I kept grabbing, like, at least one tape recorder, then leaving.
Oh, they wouldn't count it.
Oh, it does count it.
Well, it didn't count for me. My whole system broke down.
No,
I just find 3? I found 3 in a row already.
Did
What?
you leave?
No!
Die? Did you die?
No, but a freaking guy had to pop up right where... I'm trying to listen for static, man. I don't like going through that way. I don't like going through the graveyard. I feel like it's going backwards up to that point.
I can't find my way to the map at all because my guy's too slow.
I'm like looking at the stars. Like the stars are pretty.
I'd rather
You
play
ain't watching
Slender.
football.
No, God, football sucks. Come on.
Like, at least Slender's not that scary.
I don't really want to watch the Super Bowl. I already know who's gonna win. The Ravens are. The Ravens already have a better linebacker. Come on, the 49ers don't really got the best of the team.
I hate these ghosts. Every time I turn, I just see one spawn right in front of me.
I
Just
found the
scared.
Dick and Balls statue again. At least it's realistic. Ah! I can't see anything. Fuck. Come on now. Alright, don't look behind me. You're way back there, aren't you? Alright. Okay. Where's another one? I need to find another one. At least it's not skipping this time.
Like, the only thing that you can unlock that makes the game more difficult is the, every time I hear heart beating, it just... I know the creature's not coming after me.
Just went in circles. Why can't they make this one in daytime? Ah! Why? You fucking sexy horn thing you are! Where? I don't even see no more ghosts. They already know my fate. What happened?
What?
It says Stupid Panda is now playing community game.
Oh, I left for a second.
Okay, time to turn around. Okay, cool, nothing. I hear radio. Oh, you bastard! I hear radio, and he had to pop up where I'm hearing the radio. Is that a building? Found 4! Whoa, I heard yelling. I hear yelling. I hear yelling.
This game hates me because I'm a panda.
Oh, I heard yelling right after I got the 4th one. Just follow the road. Just look down and follow the road. Man, once you get 4, it starts getting spooky.
Actually, it doesn't really matter if you're looking at the floor or not, because your guy automatically turns around.
I'm in the grass. I'm combining. How does he even see me in the first place? Like, seriously. What do you want, Ghost? Now you want to see me? You, like, impressed because I found 4? Quit choking now. While I'm buying some heads. Oh, you fuck. He's not even behind me. You freaking game are making me sweat already. I hate this game. No wonder I didn't play it for like almost a month.
Why?
Oh, because the last time I did, I started sweating. That's
Are
bad.
you sweating?
Yeah.
Sweating. I just be shaking.
Oh, fuck. Come on. Where? Makes no sense. Just get 8. I hear another person yelling. Come on. Oh, you're getting closer, aren't you? Oh, he's not even there. I was trying to bounce to his footsteps. It's not working. It's like any other button I can use. How do you know where you're going? Like, I was following the road, and the road just pretty much just turned into dirt.
Actually, have you heard of, Nathan, have you heard of the game DayZ? I mean, at least the mod.
No.
Well, if you have a good computer, you should probably get it. It's like zombie survival.
Oh! Run! 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 Ah! That was a bad one. I can't even see the ground. My flashlight. Oh! Oh!
Did you just fart? I heard a white sound through the mic.
That was the chair
Like
scooting.
yourself again.
There's not gonna be a part 4. Okay. Oh, God damn it, I better get a lot of views for this. Thank you for watching. Like, dislike, or leave a comment. Please subscribe to become an awesome member today. And see you later, guys. Bye.